Hey guys, so we're going to be looking at UP10TION's The First Invitation. So we kind of got like this white and like a navy-ish color. So we'll start with the white. Oof. There we go. Alright, I know it's probably a little hard to see against the white background. Alright, so let's see the photo book. Oop. Spoiler. I like this location they picked out already. Like almost like a little disco ball light thing kind of going on too. And it does exactly what I like. Little extra pieces to add on to fill some of that white space. I do kind of like this one large photo and then like a couple other little smaller ones too, because it feels like when they do things like that you're getting more photos than it feels like one. You get a lot more variety, which I think is really nice too. Oop. Oh, they changed it up because they usually always just did the box style, or what I call the box style. Little, and is it about the same size or is it smaller? I can't tell. But set those aside. CANDYLAND. Oh my gosh. That's kind of like the design that was on the front. I'm loving these close-up shots. I'm weak for close-up photos. Because those are some of my favorite to paint, are close-up photos. Ooh, oh my gosh, they almost look like cat eyes because the shadow casted on the eyes just makes like a straight line, almost like it's his pupil. Oh man. What does it say? I think I'm lovesick. And then still with you. That's a really nice font though. Really pretty. I like that sky. It's very blue sky. That's something signal. I'm not sure what the first word is. Ooh. That hair though, man. Looks nice. The purple. I love this red hair. Such a good shade of it too. Okay, and then lyrics. Okay. There's that one. Let's see the navy one. I thought the covers were like different textures for a minute there. Okay, throw that off. Oh, mine's a little dented on the bottom. It's okay. And then, oh, this is a different design. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, look at all the suits. I'm loving this location. I think both photo books started off strong. Their location pick. Did I get a duplicate? I don't know. The Dreamer. The other one said the Wizard. I wonder if each one's got like their own theme. Okay, I'll discuss later. Or try to figure it out. I'm so very drawn to this red hair. I'm like, ooh, that's pretty. I loved watching their UP10TION wish list videos. That was so funny. Look at these little choker necklaces. I'm glad it's still a thing. Vicks really had it when they did that Chained Up album. Oh. I am loving this grungy feel. They found my weaknesses. That looks real nice too. There's some really nice locations they went to, or places. It almost feels like they're walking in at prom though a little bit. That's what it reminds me of. Walking through the prom room. Well, at least my proms always had like these little stringer things at the entrances. These like their little mini thank yous. God, those eyes are so intense. God, they almost match the background. Ooh, now this is like perfection. Almost looks like he's wearing like a bluish gray contact. I don't know. Oh, my booklet's falling out. Hold, glue, hold. Here, oh God. I can hear it cracking. This is one reason I don't like attached photo books, because there went mine. Stuff isn't that sticky. Ugh. Reason number one why I hate it. That cracked up so easy. Alright, so there's the two, and then for the photo cards again, here's the, so the ones I got the same person. Oh, look at this, I wonder if this, they actually connect or something. But there we go, and then I got the same. Got the wizard and the dreamer. Oh, I went this way. There we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'd say my favorite of the two would be the navy version. I don't know, because I really liked the beginning of this white one too, but I'll stick with the navy version. So I picked the navy version. Let me know which one you liked best. Like, subscribe, and share, and until the next video. Bye, guys.